know if you know, but I have a one-page newsletter for artists, and it is for beginning artists, and it's for people who just love art, because there's several different things in my one-page newsletter. And one of them is how to learn about creating art. There's always a blog post with a video in there on on creating art, on improving art, those kinds of things. Now, if you're not a painter, don't give up here, because the next thing, there are 3 sections to my newsletter. One is about creating art, one is about viewing art, and one is about artists that I follow. And where to see art, I'm going to be highlighting one gallery or museum in each newsletter. And it will just be a link. I'll tell you a little bit about it, and there's a link. And if you want to learn more, you go to that link and you view their website. The third thing that I put in my newsletter is artists that I follow. I don't physically know a lot of artists, but I digitally know a bunch, a boatload of artists. So I highlight one of those in each newsletter, so you can see other artists, their work, what they're doing. If you choose to buy something, please do so. Something speaks to you, you need to buy it. And I don't care what artist you're buying from. If you buy from me, fine. If you buy from somebody else, wonderful. So anyway, so those are the things that are in my weekly newsletter. It's a one-page newsletter. It's not going to take you 2 weeks to read it or anything like that, and you can go as deep in it as you want. If you just want to see the museum section or the artist section, perfect. If you want to learn more about how to create art, there's a section for that. And to entice you to view to sign up for my newsletter, I'm giving away this adorable little notebook. This is one of my paintings, and it's a spiral notebook, and it's got lined pages like a journal. And in the back is a page that has pockets that you can, put mementos or ticket stubs or whatever, business cards, anything like that. And so I will put a link in the comments where you can sign up to receive my one-page newsletter. I don't ever sell them. I don't share them. You're not going to get spammed by me or by anybody else from me, because I just don't ever do that. So, I don't even have ads on my blog. So anyway, I'd love to have you come along for the ride. I'd love for you to learn more about art, whether creating it or viewing it. So anyway, thank you so much, and I hope you're going to sign up for my one-page newsletter. See you later. Have a great day.